Hey everybody, welcome to Extreme Food Reviews. My name is Daniel, and today we're going to show you how to make 3 different types of hummus in under 3 minutes and 20 seconds. We're moving so fast today that I had to bring my girlfriend Megan in just to help me.
Hi!
Get yourself a 15-ounce can of quality chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans.
Rub them between your hands under running water to remove the skins.
You can use a slotted spoon to lift the skins out from the water.
Remove any remaining skins by hand.
Place them into a bowl and set them aside.
Grab 4 cloves of fresh garlic.
Peel them and slice them very coarsely.
Add them to your bowl of chickpeas.
Grab 1 whole lemon and roll it around under your hands on a cutting board to soften it up.
Slice off the ends and cut it in half for later.
Grab 1 whole dried Ancho chili pepper.
Next, take 1 whole dried California chili pepper.
These are mild red peppers which will give your hummus flavor and a deep, rich color.
Slice off the tops and cut them into medium-sized pieces.
If you want a traditional hummus recipe, just leave the peppers out. Prepare a pan with olive oil on medium heat.
Add your chickpeas and garlic to brown and bring out the flavor.
After 8 minutes, remove it from the heat.
In a food processor, add your dried ancho and California peppers.
Process these to help break them up.
Add your roasted chickpeas and garlic.
Add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil.
Then add 2 tablespoons of spring water.
Keep a glass of spring water aside for later.
Process for 3 minutes until the mixture is finely chopped.
Add 1/2 cup of roasted sesame tahini.
Add half a teaspoon of kosher salt.
Then add an 1/8 teaspoon of ground cumin.
Add an 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder.
And add an 1/8 teaspoon of onion powder.
Squeeze both lemon halves into the food processor, making sure no seeds fall in.
Process this while adding more spring water 1 tablespoon at a time, checking constantly for texture.
Add spring water slowly until your hummus is at your desired consistency.
At this point, you'll have a wonderful, mild red pepper hummus.
For spicy hummus, add 2 dried ghost peppers.
In any version of this recipe, continue to process for at least 8 to 10 minutes.
You want your hummus to be silky smooth. Don't rush it.
When you've got all the grit processed out of it, put it into a container.
Sprinkle the top with a quality smoked paprika.
Look at that.
Then cover and refrigerate overnight.
This will give you an amazing finished, authentic, mild, or spicy ghost pepper hummus that will amaze your family, friends, and your party guests. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tune in every Friday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for our regular scheduled show. Watch out for the pants.
My toes are starting to hurt.
This is Megan's real height and Megan's tippy toe height.